Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a rainy and dreary day here in Alabama, but I am so excited to be posting this next video. I am going to be cleaning out my junk drawer today. Bum, bum, bum. It is bad. My junk drawer is so bad at this moment that I can't even shut the drawer all the way, which is just unacceptable. I'm going to be cleaning it out and organizing it, and I've got some bins that I'm gonna use and I'll link them for you guys. My junk drawer is truly like a catch-all for us. We throw everything in there, as you're gonna see in this video. We just fill that thing up instead of putting stuff in the right place, and so it has to be cleaned out regularly. But I'm hoping today with the bins that I'm putting in and just organizing it like I want, that maybe I'll be more motivated to keep it clean. I mean, it's doubtful. It's really doubtful. I like to make it easier for us to find things. I can't stand having to dig through that drawer when we're in a hurry to get somewhere. It drives me bonkers. I just want to get it cleaned out and get it fresh and make it easier for everybody to find what they are looking for in that drawer. I hope that this video will inspire you to get into your junk drawer and clean it out too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would just absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss out on any content that I post. And without further ado, let's get this video started. So I just wanted to give you an update on the kittens. They are a little more than 4 weeks old, and as you can tell, they are walking everywhere and they are still the cutest little things ever. As promised, here is my mess of a junk drawer. I'm going to start this process by getting all of the mail out of the drawer first. It is the main reason that we can't shut the drawer. And I don't even know why we put the mail in here, but it always gets shoved into this drawer and it just piles up. We actually have a mail organizer, which you'd never know since we clearly don't use it. But today, Blake and I are going to go through this pile of mail, and we're going to be throwing all the junk away and then organizing any important documents where they need to go. Next, I'm going to completely empty this drawer. I'm taking all the things out so that I can first decide what we're going to keep, what we're going to throw, and what needs to be relocated. I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner just to get all the dirt and the dust out of the drawer. And then I'm going to wipe down the inside of the drawers with my Method cleaner. This is my favorite scent, and I use it all over my kitchen. It can pretty much be used on all of my surfaces safely. And I usually will just pick this up at Target, so I'll link it down below in case you want to give it a try. I bought 6 of these white drawer organizers at Dollar Tree. These are some of the best organizers that I have found so far. They have the gripper material in the bottom so your items don't move around, and they're also made of a heavier plastic material. They are really easy to clean and they are not at all flimsy. I'm arranging these trays in a way that I can leave space for our kids' Amazon Fire tablets. That way they have a place that is not in the kids' bedrooms. I don't allow them to have unrestricted access to their tablets. Their time on them is limited and monitored because I am that mom, and I'm not sorry for it. But with them being in this drawer, we can grab them so easily if we're headed to the car, going to the doctor's office, or we need them for some reason. After going through our things, I've narrowed down the items that we reach for regularly. I want to arrange these things so that they make sense together. For example, I'm going to pair all of my loose cords together in one bin that charge their tablets or our cell phones or whatever we need charged. Then I'm going to put some of mine and Blake's sunglasses in another bin so they won't get scratched up. I'll probably put something in there with them, but just something that won't scratch them. I've got these ABC Bible verse cards that I change out every week, and they're easiest for me to grab right there. And of course, our keys are going to go in this drawer. I'm also placing miscellaneous items like scissors, pens, paper clips, and notepads. Things that I'm going to reach for, I'm going to put back in the drawer. In just a second, you're going to see the final result of my now organized junk drawer, and it looks so nice and clean, and it is such a dramatic difference from the beginning of this video. We're going to have such an easier time locating stuff, and it was worth taking this little bit of time to clean it out. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it so much. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.